Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best budget miter saw in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Number 10. ENGINDOT Sliding Miter Saw. 2 adjustable speed and grand cutting capacity, easily convert between the 2 speeds, 3,200 RPM or 4,500 RPM, high speed for wood while low speed for metal and plastic. The max cutting capacity up to 3.54 by 13.19 inches at 90 degree and 1.77 by 13.19 inches at 45 degree. 3 blades and powerful motor, 3 blades, 2 10-inch 40T TCT blades for wood and plastic, and 1 multifunctional 1048T TCT blade for versatile use. Richer accessories provide a wide range of choice for your operation. Powerful 15-amp, 2000-watt motor gives more power and durability. Number 9. DeWalt 20V Max *7 1/4-inch miter saw. The DCS 361M 120V Max *7 1/4-inch sliding miter saw comes with a battery and charger which provides on average 183 cuts of 2x4 pine or 275 cuts of 3 1/4 pine baseboard. Adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops improves productivity and ensures cutting accuracy. DeWalt 20V miter saw utilizes 20V Max * battery pack, DCB204, which provides on average 183 cuts of 2x4 pine or 275 cuts of 3 1/4 pine baseboard. Integrated cut line crosscut positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication for better accuracy and visibility for the miter saw. DeWalt miter saw has the capacity to cut 3 5/8-inch nested crown and 3 1/2 base vertically. Number 8. Makita LS1219L 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The Makita 12 dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser, model LS1219L, combines capacity, accuracy and efficient dust extraction in a more compact size, with a unique 2-steel rail sliding system that offers a reduced footprint for operation flush against a wall. The innovative direct drive gearbox and guard system is engineered for increased vertical cutting capacity of baseboard, 6 3/4, and crown molding, 8 nested. It will also make 15-inch crosscuts at 90 degrees. The saw miters 0 degrees to 60 degrees left and right, with positive stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees, left or right. The bevel lock is located in the front of the saw for easy access and quick adjustments from 0 degrees to 48 degrees, left and right. Number 7. Craftsman V27 1/4-inch sliding miter saw kit. V20* cordless 7 1/4-inch sliding miter saw has a powerful motor designed for cutting 2x-dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard, and trim with ease. The sliding 7 1/4-inch blade allows for a cross-cut capacity of up to 8 inch, while the 9 miter detents and single bevel blade allow for angled cuts. The LED light eliminates shadows and provides an accurate easy cut line to follow. With a lightweight design and side carry handles provides the user with additional portability. Powerful motor, 3,800 RPM motor of Craftsman miter saw is made for cutting 2x-dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard, and trim with ease. Number 6. DeWalt 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. Integrated cutline blade positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication for better accuracy and visibility for the 12-inch miter saw blade. XPS technology uses an LED to project light down either side of the blade, creating a shadow on the cut line once the saw arm is lowered. Super efficient dust collection system of DeWalt miter saw captures over 75% of dust generated. Tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inch nested and base molding up to 6 3/4 inch vertically against the fence, while easily sliding out of the way for bevel cuts. Exclusive back fence design cuts up to 2x14 dimensional lumber at 90° and 2x10 at 45°. Adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 10 positive stops improves productivity and ensures cutting accuracy. Number 5. Skill 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The 10 dual bevel sliding miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor that drives 4,800 RPM, delivering extended power and durability. This miter saw features a horizontal grip handle with a center-located safety trigger for left or right-handed use. The 9 detents on the stainless steel miter plate and 11 miter locations allows for 50° cuts left or right, with 11 positive stop positions at commonly used angles. The tool comes equipped with a cam miter lock knob for repeatable accuracy, durability, and easy adjustments, while the tall sliding fences support 4.5 base molding vertically and 6 1/4 crown molding vertically nested. Number 4. Evolution Power Tools R255 SMS Plus. This one is a very sturdy machine that can cut through steel, wood with nails, and plastic compounds. You can use it to cut up acrylic and drainage tubing without having to use fire to melt it down first. Also, while nails can be bothersome for some of its peers, this option will cut through hardwood with nails easily. Now, this is possible because of the Japanese tungsten carbide blade that is offered. It has a number of teeth which provides for a cleaner and more accurate cut. Moving on, to increase efficiency and the cutting capacity, it comes with a taller fence and neck. This will allow you to work with bigger pieces, as this product should have no difficulty in cutting through them. Number 3. Makita LS10410 Compound Miter Saw. If you are a professional looking for a device to take care of a number of jobs, this will serve well. It is engineered for multiple purposes, including woodwork, flooring, and decking, creating cabinets, and using it on construction sites. This is just the right size to move about easily, and the lightweight makes it easier to work with. Moving on, there is a fluorescent light that will guide you while working in the dark. It is placed independently and will light up the work surface well. Since it is a compact product, the light spreads over the entire area evenly. It also has a dual-post compound pivot arm which allows bevel cuts to the left. The maximum capacity is 45°, and that works well for small to medium-sized pieces. Number 2. DeWalt 12-inch Miter Saw. To begin with, the saw has a very sturdy miter detent plate that ensures accurate performance. It betters productivity with its stainless steel surface and the 14 positive stops on it. Adding to it is a base fence support system that will keep the fence at a perpendicular angle, and it allows better blade accuracy. The long carbide blade was indeed very impressive, and it can slice through various surfaces with ease. Further, the blade is attached to a 15A motor with a motor speed of 4,000 RPM. You can very well understand how efficiently it works in cutting through wood. Coming to its crosscut capacity, it can cut 2x6 inches lumbar at 45° and 2x8 inches lumbar at 90°. Number 1. Metabo HPT 10-inch Miter Saw. If you are looking for a lightweight option that is easy to work with, then the Metabo HPT C10 FCGS compound saw will meet your needs. It is known for its maneuverability and portability. We were able to carry it around without any issues from our garage to our workshop. First of all, this product is known to deliver high power with a 15A motor which operates at a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM. This allows you to take on difficult jobs with ease, and we were able to use it for professional purposes. Next, it has a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left, and that works very well for precision cuts. You will be able to get clear and error-free cuts every time, and hence we would say that this ranks high on accuracy. The miter angle range also extends from 0 to 52 degrees on both sides, and that allows for better flexibility.